Every year, Europe wastes nearly 60 million tons of food. This loss represents economic inefficiency, wasted resources, and avoidable greenhouse gas emissions. ZeroW project set out to change that by demonstrating systemic innovations that reduce food loss and waste across the entire food chain, from production to consumption. ZeroW's ambition is clear: halve food loss and waste by 2030 and build the foundations for near-zero loss by 2050. To achieve this, 46 partners from 17 countries work together using a systemic innovation approach. This connects technological, organizational, and behavioral change, ensuring that each solution strengthens both sustainability and fairness across the food system. At the start of the chain, a new digital platform was created to capture high-quality data on food loss and waste across the supply chain. It enables reliable measurement, consistent definitions, and better coordination among producers, retailers, and policymakers. Growers then use data-driven tools such as remote sensing and AI-based yield prediction to align production with real demand, preventing surplus crops from becoming waste. To prevent waste of imperfect produce, advanced optical sorting and freshness sensing technologies identified quality early and directed imperfect but edible fruits and vegetables into new value chains. In food processing, digital control and optimization software reduced losses on production lines, turning operations from human-supervised to fully data-driven. In packaging, innovative compostable materials and smart freshness indicators extended shelf life while reducing plastic waste. Surplus fruits and vegetables were transformed on-site into juices and purees through mobile processing units, bringing circularity directly to the farm gate. At retail level, unused food was converted into a sustainable growth medium for microalgae, producing new bio-based materials and contributing to a circular bioeconomy. Further downstream, data-driven coordination between supermarkets and food banks ensured edible food reached people instead of bins. Finally, insights on consumer habits and household behaviors were translated into zero-waste weekly menu application, helping citizens minimize their food waste. Behind these solutions lies the ZeroW data space, connecting the food supply chain through shared data and collective intelligence, breaking down silos to create synergized solutions for zero food loss and waste. This trusted data infrastructure enables new services, supports interoperability, and ensures that innovation can scale beyond individual pilots. Collaborative governance models define how information is shared and how value is distributed fairly among all actors. To ensure systemic change, ZeroW developed the Systemic Innovation Readiness Level methodology, the SIRL tool. It measures progress in multiple dimensions, specific for each innovation, such as technological, organizational, behavioral, business, and regulatory. Across all innovations, SIRL assessments showed strong advancement, demonstrating readiness to scale and confirming tangible economic, environmental, and social benefits. ZeroW also examined the policy and regulatory landscape shaping food systems in Europe. Regulatory barriers on local, national, and EU levels were identified, and a gap analysis was performed, leading to a series of policy recommendations that together form a roadmap towards near-zero food loss and waste by 2050. Each policy brief targets a critical pressure point in the food system, identified through modeling, stakeholder dialogue, and living lab insights, outlining how Europe can achieve its 2030 reduction targets in a way that is both fair and feasible. The project's demonstrations have proven that systemic innovation can deliver measurable impact, reducing food loss, lowering emissions, improving data use, and promoting fair value sharing across the food system. These achievements bring Europe closer to the farm-to-fork and Green Deal goals of sustainable, circular, competitive, and just food systems.